So let me show you how I use Diigo on a daily basis. So I find this article or this link, some resource, and I think it's pretty cool. What I'm going to do is tag it with Pizza Robot Elite. Here's something I think all the elite people would be super interested in. It's a pizza making robot. So I'm going to click save. So it's now saved into my library, but I need to annotate this a little bit because I'm not going to remember really what I want to talk about later on when I pull this up. So as I read, I can see that, oh, this the Zoom Pizza, this Silicon Valley Zoom Pizza, is something I really want to remember or maybe look up later on. I can click the highlighting tool and I can just highlight this. And then I'm going to keep reading. And here's a really important quote that I want to pull up later on. So I've highlighted a few things here. Oh, this is also something pretty cool. So I'm going to highlight that. So I've highlighted it and it's awesome, and now I'm off to something else. So I need to come back to this, say it's a week later, a month later, it could be 20 minutes later. I'm not really going to remember. So I remember, though, it was something about pizza. When I search pizza, this is what I find. I'm going to go ahead and click, open up my link again. As you can see, though, because I've already tagged it and I'm signed into Diigo, it's going to pull up my highlights right away, which is really quite handy. To take it up a notch, I could also click the D here and add a sticky note. So what I'm doing here is just adding a sticky note of things that I want to link this robot making pizza back to, things we've already talked about in our elite class. If I click save, so next time I come to the site, I'm going to notice that my things are highlighted. I've added my sticky note. I hover on the sticky note, and here's some notes, some reminders, some things to think about as I'm diving deeper into this article or I'm talking about it with the class.